If you want to set up a membership site that's for free members only, meaning people can create an account for free, log in and access members-only content, this tutorial will show you the easiest and fastest way to get your free membership up and running. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a free membership level, protected content, and a smooth registration experience. To start with, some quick context. A membership site for free members only usually means you want some content public, but certain pages and posts are restricted to logged-in members. And users, of course, need to be able to register and log in to access your members-only area. This is perfect for resource libraries, communities, any site where you want to gate content behind a free account, or even just simply allow people to log in to comment and engage with their profile. So, the first step is to install and activate Paid Memberships Pro. And yes, I already know what you're thinking. It's called Paid Memberships Pro. But today, we are indeed using it to create a free membership. And the best part is that the version of the Paid Memberships Pro plugin that we'll be using to do this is also the free version. Download the free version of the Paid Memberships Pro plugin at paidmembershipspro.com/free. Simply hit register and download, complete the form, and upon registration, you'll be automatically logged into your account. From here, simply navigate to My Downloads and then download the Paid Memberships Pro plugin. When ready, in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and then upload the downloaded plugin zip file. Once you've activated the PM Pro plugin, you'll be taken through a setup process, as a part of which you'll generate the key membership pages for your site: membership levels, account, login, checkout and registration, and confirmation. Since this is a free members-only site, we can skip over the payment-related options for now, and we can immediately configure our newly created free membership level. To do so, simply navigate to Memberships, Settings, and Levels. This will also conveniently be the default page you're taken to when heading into the PM Pro settings area. If you didn't create your free membership during the onboarding process, don't worry, you can always add a new membership right here. Simply click here and then we'll be prompted to enter the type of membership level we want to create. Of course, in this case, we will choose free and then we'll give it a suitable name. In this case, we'll call it beginner. Under billing details, if you click to open up this section, you'll see that the initial payment is set to $0 by default since we selected free as the type of membership. And here, you can also confirm that there is no recurring billing because this is indeed a membership site specifically for free members only. When ready, you can scroll to the bottom of this page to save this membership level. Now, we've got a membership level that's free, but still requires registration, which is exactly what we want. Protect content for free members only. Next, let's make this membership site truly fulfill one of the core use cases of a free members-only site by restricting access to some content to logged-in users on the newly created free membership tier only. Paid Memberships Pro lets you do this in a few ways, including protecting all posts created in a specific category, individual posts, and individual pages. On this demo site, we already have a category called Beginner Content, so we'll use that as an example. To protect the content in the Beginner Content category so that it is only available to this specific membership level, to do so, I'll head over to the list of categories under Posts and Categories, and then navigate to the Beginner Content category. And here, we can enable the beginner membership level we created earlier, and then save the category. Now, when we switch back over to our window where we're logged in as a free member of this site, we'll see that we can access the content in the beginner content category. However, the moment we log out, this is what we'll see. On an individual basis, I can simply head to the post editor for a page or post in WordPress and look for the require membership setting in the sidebar. Again, if we want to protect this individual post or page, only making it accessible on our free member tier, we would simply select the name that we gave to our free member tier, which is, of course, beginner. Now let's test the experience end to end. Open an incognito window and try to visit that protected page while logged out. You should see a message prompting you to log in or become a member. Click through, create your account, and submit. Now revisit that protected page and you should have access using your newly created free member account on this membership site. One of the biggest benefits of using Paid Memberships Pro here is that members get a proper front-end membership experience. They can view their account page, update their profile, access members-only content, all without being pushed into the WordPress admin dashboard. Depending on your site, you may also want to hide the admin toolbar for members and block dashboard access for non-admin users. In Paid Memberships Pro, this can be adjusted by navigating to Memberships, Settings, and Advanced under the Restrict Dashboard Access option. And that's it. In about 5 minutes, we managed to set up a fully functional membership site for free members only. And if we ever want to add paid membership levels to this site in the future, doing so will be incredibly easy. Before you go, let's walk through some final things you may want to do with your new membership site. Even with free memberships, you might want to collect extra information at registration, like a company name or what someone is interested in. Paid Memberships Pro supports custom fields during sign-up, so you can tailor the experience to your community or content. Lastly, you may want to update your navigation so people can easily find both where to register and where to log in, as well as their account area once they are logged in. It's a relatively small detail, but as I'm sure you'll agree, these details do add up to a complete membership site experience for your new members. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have absolutely any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. We are here and always happy to help. And I'll see you in the next video.